Hi everyone, welcome to Sparkle Beauty. So I'm going to be reviewing the Masaba by Nykaa perfumes in this video, and if you're interested to see a detailed review of these three variants, then do keep watching. So they come in 6 variants and they retail for ₹299, and I have 3 of them which I'll be reviewing in this video. Quick reminder, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and now let's get started. So the first one is Uptown Girl, and I have to say I love the boxes these perfumes come in. The prints in the boxes are designed by Masaba, which makes them really special. The bottles are the same mini perfume bottles that we have seen in the Moa by Nykaa perfumes. For the one who aren't afraid to strut their own drum, Uptown Girl opens with a comforting scent of fresh blooms that will stir lifelong memories. Uptown Girl is described as a fresh, floral, refreshing and rejuvenating fragrance. Okay, so this one is very floral. It does open with notes of fresh blooms like the description suggests. Floral but very flat. But sadly, it's not as refreshing as it is described. You know how you feel so good and luxurious when you use a good perfume? Well, you don't feel anything like that with this. I don't think I'll ever reach out for this one. Do I recommend this? No. Next we have Wild For You. Now the box of this perfume is very cute. It has the floral tiger Masaba print on it, and it looks really pretty. Raw, authentic and afraid of exploring, Wild For You opens with cypress and birch notes, creating an adrenaline rush, while the long-lasting scent of suede and amber lingers on and on. It's described as an intense, sensuous, oud, opulent, exotic and vintage perfume. Okay, so this perfume is very balmy, very sweet and spicy. It is a warm perfume. The suede and oud notes are very dominant, so no, it's a big no for me. This perfume straight away gives me a headache and I'm never going to reach out for this again. Do I recommend this? No, absolutely not. Unless you are into very leathery, spicy fragrances and you love suede and oud, that kind of notes in your fragrance, just don't go for this. You're not going to enjoy this. And the last one I have is Crock and Roll. This too has an interesting Masaba print on the box. Curated for the many moods of you, Crock and Roll is a vivacious one. Fruity notes of orange blossom exude femininity, while layers of musk and amber blend comfort with spontaneity. So this fragrance is described as musky, fruity, velvety scent, earthy, warm and fruity fragrance. Well, you see the confusion on my face because I can't get most of it. So, Crock and Roll. Well, it's supposed to be a fruity fragrance, but sadly I could not detect any fruity notes of orange blossom at all. There's nothing fruity about this. It is warm and it is earthy and it is musky. That's all it is. I'm finding Crock and Roll and Wild For You very similar. They're both very musky. Overall, it's very underwhelming. I mean, we use fragrance to feel good and this feels like sadness, and I'll never wear this perfume again. And no, I don't recommend this, and you would do better not to get this. So this was the review of the Masaba by Nykaa perfumes. I hope you found this video helpful and interesting, and if you did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel. Hope to see you in my next video. Till then, bye.